Imagine cruising down the highway, the wind in your hair, eyes wide with disbelief, not at the scenery, but at what you're driving. No, it's not a car. Not a bike. It's not even your traditional camper. This, my friends, is something straight out of a futuristic dream. Meet the insane three-wheeled RV, an unbelievable mashup of innovation, freedom, and pure adrenaline. From the very first glance, it grabs your attention. Sleek, aerodynamic, and unlike anything else on the road. This isn't just an RV. It's a rebel. A rule breaker. Built to disrupt everything you thought you knew about motorhomes. Forget bulky, boring, gas-guzzling giants. This three-wheeled beast is compact, lightweight, and yet surprisingly spacious on the inside. Oh yeah, you heard that right. Inside this wild-looking machine is a hidden world that'll blow your mind. Slide open the futuristic door and step inside. What you'll find is a tiny home that feels anything but tiny. Every inch has been engineered for purpose. A fold-out bed? Check. Compact kitchenette with a sink, stove, and smart storage? Absolutely. Even a mini bathroom, tucked away like a magician's trick. Everything folds, slides, or hides, transforming the space depending on your needs. It's like living inside a transformer. But the real magic is how it moves. With 3 wheels and a low center of gravity, it handles like a dream. Tight turns, urban streets, narrow trails, no problem. And it's electric or hybrid depending on the model, so you're saving fuel and the planet while living rent-free on the road. That's right, no rent, no mortgage, no bills tying you down. Just hop in, hit the road, and live wherever you want. Beach today, mountains tomorrow. Who's stopping you? And let's not forget the insane tech built into this ride. Solar panels keep your energy flowing, even off-grid. A digital control panel lets you monitor everything from battery levels to water tanks with the tap of a finger. There's even Wi-Fi connectivity, so you can work remotely while sipping coffee with a view that makes 5-star resorts look jealous. People don't just stare at this RV when it drives by, they gawk. It's a conversation starter, a jaw-dropper, a lifestyle on 3 wheels that screams freedom louder than any V8 engine ever could. And while traditional campers are fighting for parking space at overcrowded RV parks, you'll be tucked away off-road, watching the sunset in complete peace. This 3-wheeled RV isn't just a camper, it's a revolution. It's for the dreamers, the doers, the wanderers. If you've ever wanted to escape the rat race, break the rules, or live wild and free, this is your ticket. So, ask yourself, are you ready to ditch the norm and chase the horizon in something truly insane? Because once you step inside this 3-wheeled marvel, there's no going back.